Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something a little different: how to use a toilet like it's a throne. That's right. We're going to transform your bathroom into a luxurious and comfortable space. First things first, prepare your space. Make sure the bathroom is tidy and smells pleasant. Freshen up the space with air fresheners or scented candles. Add some comfort by placing a cushioned toilet seat cover or a soft mat on the floor. This will enhance your experience and make it more enjoyable. Now, set the ambience. Lighting is key. Dim the lights or use soft lighting. If you have a candle or essential oil diffuser, light it to create a relaxing atmosphere. Finally, consider playing soft music or soothing sounds. This could include nature sounds or even some gentle tunes. So there you have it, folks. Turn your toilet into a luxurious throne with these simple tips. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, take care.